What you heard? Don't know what you've heard. I don't know what you heard. Don't know what you heard. Oh no, oh no. But I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
Yeah.
I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
Oh wait.
Bigger than a castle where you're in Australia. They wanna be like me, but they can't be like this. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. Hey, you wanna see I'm not them?
Mixing could be better.
Bigger than I'm a world. They're scared when I show up. They scared of
Apart from the mixing, this is a very catchy song. I don't know if y'all boys got it. I'm just vibing to this right now.
the claws that took my legs. They staying on my leg at the size of the egg. Oh, I'm the biggest bird. It's so absurd. I'm the biggest bird. How have you not heard? Haven't you heard? Haven't you heard? Don't know what you heard. Don't know what you heard. Don't know what you heard. But I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest.
Alright, you see that dude right there, right? So there's been some like recent news. I think it was posted by like St. Clout, but there's been some recent news that motherfucking our dog was talking to underage females. My dog's like 23. Yeah, that's an issue. That's a mad issue, bro. Fuck, we just gonna go through these because like I don't know what's up with you like underground niggas. It's not all of y'all, but like I don't know what's wrong with you underground niggas, but like yo, y'all boys got a vibe. Y'all got a vibe. Legitimately, y'all got a vibe because like, bruh, it's like the underground so filled with like controversy. And at first I thought that was like a joke or some shit. It doesn't matter, but like it really ain't though. So like, she said like you caught me off guard for what you said. SMH. I ain't that much older, true. What was it? I caught you. What? When I said I need some head. Can't catch me lacking. Yeah. He was like, you messed around with, you know, someone older before. I was just thinking about yesterday. She was like, yeah, I'm not even gonna read these in like motherfucking like accents because that's would just be weird. She was like, yeah, I have actually, like my age. Yeah. Also, you don't mind. Nope. So you still want to talk freaky? Damn, that boy got Groot. Damn. Kai, if you real, send a bit of your voice right now. I sound like Izzy. How am I supposed to be for real? Can't help. My phone, one of other people, turn off your phone. One's bubble and find out you're finished. Please, bruh. What the fuck? Damn. Sorry, I'll make it one day. Sorry, I like that. I don't want to be here. That's what you call it. Alright.